Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Producing the videos, we've had a lot of requests. A lot of people are interested in the six-cylinder AA5 aircraft that we have out there. So here's another little tidbit for you. This is the old exhaust off of Fred Cocosta's converted six-cylinder. We just put a new one on. It's a stock Tiger exhaust system that someone has just simply come back and welded two additional legs on it into the existing muffler and, of course, the ensuing risers. This is just one solution to the problem. This is how Fred solved it. John Coe's airplane is probably done differently, as well as the one that Ned Thomas has. Because they were all done by different people, there'll be different solutions to the same problem. But this is one way to do it. Hope this teases you, and we'd like to see more six-cylinder aircraft. Thanks for watching this video.